Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on email notifications for updates about your posts on X, formerly known as Twitter, right from your PC. This feature is part of the new update, and it's perfect if you want to stay informed about how your posts are performing, even when you're not scrolling through your feed. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Once the app is open, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options there. Click on Notifications. This is where you manage all the alerts and updates you receive about your activity on X. Next, once you're inside Notifications, look towards the top right corner and click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can customize how and when X sends you notifications. Now go ahead and select Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll find several notification types, but for this guide, we'll be focusing on push notifications. Click on that option to continue. Inside Push Notifications, scroll down until you see the section labeled Related to You and Your Posts. This is where you can control how X informs you about interactions and updates connected to your content. Here's the key part. Find the option that says Updates about the performance of your posts. Make sure the box next to it is checked. That's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for updates about your posts. From now on, you'll receive alerts whenever your posts start gaining traction or engagement insights change. It's a great way to keep an eye on your performance and better understand what content resonates most with your audience. Remember, small tweaks like this can make a big difference in how you connect and grow on X. So take a minute to personalize your notification settings. It helps you stay on top of your social presence without missing a beat. Thanks for watching.